Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 6 Best Humidifiers for Large Room in 2025.
Top 1.
LEVOIT Superior 6000 Smart Evaporative Humidifiers for Home Whole House up to 3,000 square feet, 6 gal, lasts 72 hour, premium filter, dry mode, wheels and water fill hose and foldable storage, quiet sleep mode. 3000. At a high setting, raise 30% to 60% humidity in a closed 3,000 square feet space for 6.5 hours featuring a 6-gallon tank and an impressive 1,500 ml/h output. It rapidly diffuses moisture to every corner. Enjoy up to 72 hours, tested on a low setting, maintaining humidity above 30%. Of non-stop release of fine water molecules, maintaining consistent humidity levels throughout your space. Boost water evaporation with high-speed fan blades, mist-free humidification with no white dust disruptions, suitable for tap water.
Top 2.
Venta LW45 Original Humidifier Black, filter-free evaporative humidifier for spaces up to 600 feet. Mist-free evaporative humidification for spaces up to 600 square feet including adjoining spaces that cannot be closed off such as hallways, lofts, and stairways. Based on standard 8-foot ceilings. Healthy air humidified to an optimal 40 to 60%. As a disc stack rotates in the water reservoir, clean water evaporates to humidify the air in your space. Allow the unit to run continuously for the first 7 to 10 days on the highest speed. Cold evaporative humidification without the use of filters. Safe for use with tap water. Naturally reduces harmful pollutants in the air at a humidity level.
Top 3.
Commercial grade humidifier with multi-directional fogging head, indoor plant humidifier for large rooms, 75 pints. Multi-directional fogging head maximum outputs is 0.4 gallons per hour. Industrial grade motor for years of use connects directly to your water supply with your own hookup, uses 1/4 inches. Tubing provides coverage across 160 to 320 square foot, based on humidification requirements and ceiling height. This excellent quality humidifier features a multi-directional fogging head. Measures 12.2 inches tall x 12.2 inches in diameter. Coverage is from 160 to 320 square feet, depending on humidification requirements and ceiling height. Maximum output is 0.4 gallons per hour. Industrial grade motor for years of use. Connects directly to your water supply with your own hookup, uses 1/4 inches tubing. Operates at 62 dBA. 110 volts/60 Hz/0.9 amps. Consider using a Titan Controls EOS 1 with this product.
Top 4.
Evaporative humidifiers for large living space, 14.5 L, 3.9 gal, tank whole room humidifier, 60 W cool no mist humidifiers, 7 speed, max output 3000 ml/h, auto humid, top filling. Yojetech evaporative humidifier increases the room's humidity through a natural evaporation process. It does not generate mist, so it prevents water accumulation near the humidifier, reducing the risk of health and damaging wooden furniture. The humidifier wick is washable by hand or machine and features a honeycomb structure, allowing for many years use. 3000 ml/h water output. The humidifier has a maximum water output of up to 3000 ml/h, providing a maximum of 19.2 gallons of water output within 24 hours. Whether used in dry, cold winters or during dry summer air conditioning, The high water output quickly humidifies the environment. It could cover the space up to 2,125 square foot.
Top 5.
Humidifiers for large room home. 6.6 gal/25 L large humidifier whole house humidifier 3000 square foot. Cool mist top fill floor commercial and industrial humidifiers. 360 degrees nozzle sets. 3-speed. Commercial and industrial grade humidifier. Over 6.6 gal larger capacity lasts for 36 hours working time at one top fill. 3000 ml/h high moisture output is designed to humidify spaces up to 3000 square foot, such as whole house, greenhouse, supermarket, warehouse, office, factory, etc. This large capacity cool mist ultrasonic humidifier won't need any replacement filters to save your bill. Note: the power cord, manual, remote control and pipes are all inside the water tank. Smart humidifiers with Humidistat. This large humidifier allows you to customize the humidity level from 40% to 90%. The built-in Humidistat sensor can monitor the ambient humidity value, error plus or minus 5%. When the desired humidity level is reached, the mist output will stop to avoid over-humidification.
Top 6.
AprilAire 500 whole house humidifier, automatic compact furnace humidifier, large capacity whole house humidifier for homes up to 3,600 square ft, white. Buy with confidence. This humidifier was designed and manufactured in the USA by AprilAire, the inventor of the whole home evaporative humidifier, and the leader in indoor air quality solutions. Full coverage up to 3,600 square feet in tightly built homes with a capacity of 12 gallons per day. Automatic humidifier with dual sensors to monitor and respond to both outdoor temperature and indoor relative humidity to deliver optimum humidity 24/7 throughout the home. Simply set it and forget it. Convenient digital control shows percent humidity, lights indicate humidifier is running, when to change the water panel, when service is needed, and blower activation switch sets humidifier to run continually, or only when the furnace runs.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.